Good morning. Today we'll discuss about the types of load. So which is very important to understand the applied mechanics, structural mechanics. So for that purpose we have to know all the types of the load which are coming on the structure, different kinds of the structure. So first one is, there are the 5 kinds of the loads. First one is the point load, second one is the uniformly distributed load, third one is the uniformly varying load, and last one is the point moment. So these are the different kinds of the loads. So first one will understand the point load. So you can understand from this figure, you can understand this point load, that P is acting on this beam. So that is the point load P, which is acting at a one point. Second one is the uniformly distributed load. So under this, the beam which is there, and on this beam the uniformly load is applying, that is the with the intensity of W, that is the weight which is acting, and throughout the span it is acting, that's why the total intensity is W per meter. Next, third one is, the third kind of the category of load is uniformly varying load. So under this uniformly varying load, so there are the two category. One is the triangular distributed loading, and second one is the trapezoidal distributed loading. So from this figure number third, you can understand. So there is a triangular loading which is acting. One end is you can see this is the triangular section, where the other end is of loading which is acting with a zero intensity and with the highest intensity of W. So the shape which is generated here as a triangular shape, and that is varying from 0 to W, and that's why it is called as a triangular distributed load. Later on, there is a trapezoidal distributed load. It is also kind of the load like a uniformly varying load, but in that case the load which is applying from WA to WB, so it is in the format of trapezoidal. So where at the WA, at the point A, there is a loading intensity is highest one, and at WB the loading intensity will be lesser one. So in that way, so this is the uniformly varying load for the trapezoidal section. And last one is the point moment. So in that case, this is the at center point, the M which is showing that moment which is applied at that center point, it is denoted as a point moment. So in that way, these are the types of loading which I want to discuss with you all. Thank you.